What? You see this? I don't know how to use it because...
Still gonna put that on YouTube, huh, Jason?
Stop putting things in YouTube.
What? He has videos?
But I really want to get videos. Me, Jason want to be famous.
But
If we are famous, we can do whatever we want.
This is what Jason get famous.
And you get money too.
This is what
if you're
Jason get famous,
right,
himself.
Jason? You get money when you're famous.
This is what Jason get famous himself.
Of course. But I want to do some fun things like do something downstairs. Like I got Minecraft in my Xbox 360. 360 next. Go. You want to know how to make a hot tub now? Because I didn't have time to make a hot tub in your house. You remember that house I made on yours?